Check this out, boys. Wait, that's Gizmo. That's Gizmo. It's the LOKITHOR 5-in-1 AW401 jump pack, tire filler, water sprayer, flashlight with USB power out. In the box we have a 12-volt charger, USB-C in and out for charging or running your accessories, and a USB-A to USB-C, 24-inch air filler hose, an accessory bag for your accessories, and 18 inches worth of jump leads. And this comes with a 1-year warranty from LOKITHOR. So let's charge this up, do a few tests. Plug it in here. Yeah, what do you think, Gizmo? Is it gonna be a good one? We are fully charged. Acts like a flashlight with several lighting modes. Charges your accessories with a 60-watt output. So let's check the DC output, but the USB-C should be a 60-watt output. Let's see how the Samsung Galaxy handles it. Ah, super fast charging. Now that's awesome, because I've seen some outputs that say they're 60 watt, but they're not super fast charging. Excellent. It says USB out. That says DC out, which would be if I had to go out on these, which are 12 volt. But if you plug in the USB, okay, but it doesn't read out how many watts you're drawing. That's what I was trying to find. And of course the USB-A will just be a standard output. So as far as putting everything back in this accessory bag, it looks like we could put the jumper cables, the car charger, and the other USB cord for charging and output, and the air hose. But that leaves you with the water hoses that you do not have a bag for. And a 2.4 gallon per minute 200 psi water pump. Comes with a handheld spray head with multiple sprays. The water inlet has a screw thread. Gives you 3 adapters with the rubber gasket, so you can connect this quick connect for the inlet and the outlet. Also gives you a little leverage piece here to tighten those up. So let's see how this will work on a camping situation. Not that you'd want to shower with pond water or anything. It's weighted to keep it down, of course. Now let's see, I'll pump it, let it shoot right out. Not quite enough weight to keep that screen in the water. Alright, she's all primed up. Plug in our shower head here. Quite a long hose. Must be close to 20 feet. So we're on shower. Center. Of course that shuts it off. Oh, look at that. It's got an automatic pressure shut off. Huh. Kind of like a pressure washer. That's cone. Stream. Pretty good stream. Not too bad of pressure. Mist. If the sun was here, we'd have a rainbow. Vertical. Flat. I guess that'd be good for if you're watering plants. Full. And of course, shower. I can definitely see this working out great for camping, or even for a garden, or just washing off your motorcycle or Jeep or car or whatever. If you're out camping and you go through some good mud holes. Pretty neat. Never seen anything like that on any of these. Pretty soon it'll be a pressure washer. That's what it reminds me of. Just less pressure. 53 minutes. So we have 53 minutes of pumping time.
That's what she said.
Now it says you don't have to pump it out to drain that, unless you leave it somewhere where it freezes, of course. I could definitely see using that camping for off-roading. It's at 8 pounds per gallon. That's a 5.3 bucket. I put about 5 gallons. Yeah, not too bad. Easier than walking with it. Oh look, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's no power anywhere. This claims 2.4 gallons per minute. Let's see. And start. And there's a gallon. My highly scientifical calculation for gallons per minute. Oh look, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I really need a shower. No problem. Got the LOKITHOR AW401 handy. We'll use my lovely assistant Mandy. What do you think, Mandy? Let's try it on stream. You got some dirty legs. Yeah, so I could definitely see if you hung that up there, you'd have a pretty good shower. I'll let you dry off, Mandy. Mandy the mannequin. Get it? And that little bit of shower. Use probably a gallon. And you have a shower head, it's going to slow it down. You got 5 minutes of wash time. Has 150 psi tire pump. Give you some air fitting accessories. Not super high, but enough. You could probably blow off your keyboard and any little equipment like that. I broke my little cover off already. Let's try this out on a bicycle tire. These are 26 by 4.0. Power it up. Let's see. Drop it down to 20 psi and turn it on. Once up to pressure, it'll shut off automatically. Do the front tire. And that's it. 2500 amp jump pack. Let's see how the jump pack feature works. I wish they put a little longer jump leads, but then it'd have to be thicker, of course. Cost factor. Who remembers Mandy the mannequin? I've had her for several years now. How many of you guys remember when I got Mandy the mannequin? So we're going to try it out in the old Kubota. Been sitting about a year, so let's see how it starts without the jump pack right now. And then we'll hook it up and see how it starts with the jump pack. Alright, we're going to try it out without the jump pack to see how it cranks. Hope nothing jumps out on me. Still has a lot of juice, which is actually surprising. This old girl always starts. We're going to hook up the jumper. That's not it. There it is. Positive. Ooh, those are some heavy. Nice heavy springs on these clamps. Wow. Like 3 times what I'm used to. Powered up. Well, automatically kicks itself on. So it's giving us some boost. Let's try it. Woo! Oh yeah. That's how long. So that's when it's reading. So you can definitely see I'm charging. Let's shut her down. That did good. Very good. Nice. 2500 amp jump start. So yeah, this is like the multi-tool for the off-road enthusiast, I think. If you're on a trail and you're wheeling and you break down and you have something like this, I mean all of us, if you've really done any off-roading, you break down. A lot of times it's full of mud. You got to get up in there and pull it out. As long as you can get to a water source, this would be great for that. If you get a flat tire and you got to pump the tire back up or put a plug in it or get the bead set, might have to use a little ether and then fill it up with this. If the battery's dead after camping all night, then you can use your USB outputs to charge all your devices. Yeah, this is pretty awesome for camping. That's what I think. It's got a decent sized battery in it too, you know. Not too bad for weight wise. Definitely a great tool to have. So I'll put the links down below. And this is definitely going in one of my off-road vehicles. Vin Diesel approved. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.